Hello students and anyone else who may be watching from home. This is Mr. Borges and I wanted to do a quick video on this level of CodeCombat. It's called Woodland Cleaver. And this is the first level, after which we've got our new sword that gives us a new method called cleave. And what they mean by cleave is they mean just do like a big swinging chop and hit a bunch of enemies at the same time. But up until now, our normal attack hero.attack enemy only is a single target attack. So cleave is a multiple target attack. And so this level is not difficult, but there's starting to be enough here that with the if and else, I just wanted to talk about it really quickly. So, right, first thing our hero's going to do is they're going to move to a certain location. This is just like in math class, the X and Y coordinates, 23, 23. Where is that at? It looks like that spot right over there. And you can see when you hover over a certain location, it gives you the XY coordinates of that spot. So here's going to move there. And then while true, so this is a forever loop, while true, all this indented stuff's going to happen over and over and over. So what is going to happen? The repeating pattern is going to be, hero's going to find the nearest enemy and save that into a variable called enemy. And the hero's going to check if hero.is ready to cleave. Now, cleave is on a cooldown. You can't just spam cleave as much as you want. And if you try to cleave before your hero's ready to cleave, you'll get an error. Your hero just won't be able to do and will get stuck. So before we cleave, we're going to have the program check if hero.is ready. If hero.is ready, cleave, then we're going to cleave the enemy. And the method for that is over here, right? So this is, if you're ever not sure how this method works, you can always click on cleave and it helps you. And like in this case, it's basically, the example is exactly what we're doing right now. But you can see right here, it says if hero.is ready to cleave. Well, that's already written right here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to hero.cleave enemy. And you can see it's indented. So anything that we indent right here, hero.cleave, hero.cleave is only going to happen if this stuff up here was true. So if the hero is ready to cleave, we're going to cleave because it's indented right here. Then we have this else command. It's not indented. This is separate, right? So only one of these two things is going to happen. If the hero is ready to cleave, hero cleave. Or else means you weren't ready to cleave. What are we going to do if we weren't ready? It says here, else, if cleave isn't ready, do your normal attack. So we're going to tell it to hero.attack enemy. And that's the big idea, but I want you to know something about what's going on with these indents, right? So now that we have an if command, we're checking if something is true, do this stuff. Else, that means that stuff wasn't true. What are we going to do? So we're never going to do both of these. Your hero is never going to cleave and attack at the same time. Every time we go through the loop, it's going to pick one or the other. If hero's ready to cleave, it's going to cleave. If it's not, it's going to attack the enemy and then start over. Find a new enemy, decide if you're ready or not, cleave or not cleave. All right, here we go. So we go ahead and run this and see what's going on. Whoops, can't see. There's the cleave. Chop, 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 cleave. All right, there you go. So that's this level, right? So thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.